Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get $100 cash reward by starting a trading account with WeBull Canada. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on their official website. So if you just come to this page right here, you just have to search for how to get a $100 cash reward by signing up for WeBull Canada. So yeah, and then it should redirect you to this Google search page, and then just click on the first link right here. And here, if you want to win a cash reward from $200 to $100, you just have to create an account on here, make a required net qualifying deposit amount during this date right here, this one right here, and then you just have to maintain your net qualifying deposit amount for 90 days. And the fourth step is to just claim your cash reward. So this is how you get a cash reward by opening a WeBull trading account. You just have to click on get started and follow all the steps I told you earlier. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.